Here's our last Gnomon problem, and we want to find the values of x and y so that the figure below the shaded figure is a gnomon to the white triangle. So we've taken, it looks like a trapezoid, and smushed it up to the bottom of a triangle and made a bigger triangle, and we want to see how we can turn it and make sure it's a gnomon to the original, which means my little triangle, which is a 3, 4, 5, has to be similar to this giant one that's created there, which is on this side is 3 plus 6, or 9, and on this side is a 5 plus y, and on this side is just an x. So we have the dimensions 9, 5 plus y, and x for our three sides. Now remember, similar for triangles means that you look and they have to have that k that they're each multiplied by. So I have 3k equals 9 because I want to go with the ones that are actually just plain old numbers, because that's where I'm going to get a real k, a value for k. So when I'm doing that, I divide both sides by 3, and my k equals 3. And then I can look at the other two and calculate them. So that's my first side. Now my second side, see if I can change colors, is going to be 5 corresponded with this 5 plus y. So 5k equals 5 plus y. And my k is 3, as I found before, and 5 plus y. So then I have 15 equals 5 plus y. Subtract 5, and I get 10 equals y. So my y has to be a 10, and then that means the big long side is a 15. Now, last part, I want to know, let's change the color one last time, and I'm looking at the 4 and the x, and so I say 4k equals x. I know my k is 3, so I'll plug that in, and then I have 12 equals x. So I know that this x here is a 12. Now let's read the question again. Find the values of x and y so that in the figure below the shaded figure is a gnomon to the white triangle. So I did that. My x is 12 and my y is 10. So I actually answered the question that was being asked.